system or service fully on-chain. More than 1,000 years of R&D effort. Reinvent compute. AI models can run in the mode of smart contracts.
Hello, everyone, and thank you for attending our end-of-year World Computer Show. 2024 has been a momentous year for the Internet Computer Project and also for our industry as a whole. 2025 will be pivotal. This year, we saw the annual growth of on-chain compute on the Internet Computer exceed 500% for the first time, and the ICP token became deflationary several times. That means that the amount of ICP being converted into cycles to power computation, which gets burned, exceeded those the protocol minted for governance stakers and node providers running the sovereign hardware that hosts the network. The Internet Computer realizes the world computer vision where you can build anything on-chain on the Internet's decentralized ecosystem without recourse to traditional IT. And it remains the only network with anything even resembling these capabilities. Nonetheless, it's a network that adds value to the entire industry, with chain key technology enabling new applications like Bitcoin DeFi and allowing Web3 services using any chain to fully decentralize and abandon the insecure centralized IT stack. Furthermore, the project has not sat on its laurels, and the R&D effort that aims to make the network more powerful has become even more focused and ambitious. In the past couple of months, DFINITY succeeded in delivering 3 hugely important milestones, which unlocked its power further. For example, halving compute transaction latency, which was already the world's lowest in real terms, while also driving scalability to further orders of magnitude beyond traditional blockchain. For example, enabling individual units of network resident code, which are smart contracts to you and me, to maintain up to 500 gigabytes of persistent memory, and kicking off our 64-bit execution environment unlock, paving the way, for example, to large language models with huge numbers of parameters running on-chain. We have also begun to talk about what's happening inside our skunkworks operations, where long-standing plans to unlock the power of AI have begun to surface, accompanied by demonstrations of powerful AI models running as smart contracts on the network, on our way to the network hosting hardcore large language model inference. But the biggest advance that is coming has perhaps gone unseen. The Internet Computer Project has long directed its funding into a huge R&D effort, strong in the belief that for Web3 to mainstream, it must deliver things that radically exceed the realm of speculation enabled by tokens, say. True decentralization of tech involves any person being able to create running custom web applications and internet services, Web3 functionality, and AI simply by issuing natural language instructions and then being able to update them in real time by issuing more natural language instructions. This is a new paradigm, and it's the future of tech. An individual user will be able to create and update a personal branding website and blog, or a wedding planner, or a game to share with friends. An entrepreneur without funds and technical skills who perhaps lives in an emerging market will be able to use nothing but their phone to create a sharing economy internet service with Web3 rails. And a business department will be able to create and update custom CRM or ERP enterprise applications, or an AI-powered knowledge base without recourse to traditional IT and SaaS services. These parties will own the underlying network resident software, though they don't update it themselves, and their custom services will run in a sovereign way on the internet computer. And the data will never be held hostage, and they won't suffer the lock-in of the centralized proprietary IT stack. Most importantly, they will get the service they want, and they won't require the permission or help of anyone to evolve and improve it in ways dictated by their imaginations and needs. This is real decentralization with mass market appeal, and this is the new frontier that we have dedicated ourselves to. The technical challenges involved with having AI create and evolve running services are substantial. It involves a new stack that is built for AI, and that's what I promise you will emerge in 2025 as we move towards releasing new technology under development since 2018. On-chain AI will drive further compute growth because it is compute intensive. But this will be exceeded by AI beginning to democratize tech itself on the internet computer. And I should emphasize that users will create new on-chain AI functionality by chatting too, which will drive recursive growth. Users creating custom services by talking to AI will unlock growth that will test the many improvements to the internet computer you will hear about today, while our skunkworks advances will enable the paradigm. For all these reasons, I think 2025 will see an inflection point for the internet computer ecosystem and what it offers the world. Enjoy the show, and thank you for listening. Now I'm going to hand you over to Pierre, who will talk about BizDev. Bye for now from me.